Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 91. In this video, I will be taking apart a gas leak detector. This is a no-name brand that I'm aware of. This is a type you would plug in near your stove, your gas fireplace, or furnace, and it will detect if you have a leak. The indicators are for power, state, and alarm. Now what's quite amusing is in the instructions they say to test it, hold a non-lit lighter near it and just let the gas go in and set the alarm off. The display shows 0 through 9 and it doesn't say what the units are. And the back just has a US plug on it. When the display shows numbers 3, 4, and 5, it'll beep slowly. And in 6 through 9, it'll start beeping faster. Above 9, it'll display an H, and then the siren will go off. The state and alarm LEDs seem to blink together. Now on the front panel, there really isn't anything there on the inside other than the little plastic window. There's just these two wires here that are for power input. Now I can see there's a power supply section on the lower part of the board, and there is an isolation slot. You can kind of see my hand behind it. And that's there to isolate the high voltage from the low voltage. It has a pretty large ground plane on the back. This is the siren. It says it's rated for 85 decibels. And this is the sensor. It looks very much like the sensor in the carbon monoxide detector I took apart. It is smaller, but then again this is quite a bit newer. Now on the carbon monoxide detector the sensor had 4 pins. This one has 6. If you look carefully under the sensor here, you can see there are some markings for different sensors. As if this board could be used for multiple applications. I'm going to pause for a moment to see if I can get a better look at these chips. Okay, so this chip is an HT66F018, and that comes back as an 8-bit flash memory. That's probably the one that's running the whole thing. I couldn't find any data on this chip, but I'm thinking that might be the display driver. On the back, there isn't that much to see here, other than a better view of the isolation slots. There is a bridge rectifier down here. I do wonder about the isolation within the transformer, but I'm not going to take it apart. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.